Questions swirled around oversight and transparency in hearings over the Auditor General's public housing report at Nunavut's legislature last week. TJ Dhir has the details.
In response to a question from an MLA, NCC Development said they didn't have enough resources when Nunavut 3000 was created. But President and CEO Clarence Sinnard says things have changed since October 2022.
Prior to that and continuing on after that date, we continuously worked on building up our team to be able to deliver on the contracts that we had agreed to with Nunavut Housing Corp.
The Nunavut government's Oversight Committee also discussed who provides public housing units to Nunavummiut who need them most. Local housing organizations, or LHOs, assign units and send reports to the Nunavut Housing Corporation. LHOs are overseen by and receive funding and support from NHC, but Nunavut MLA Mary Kalikti was concerned that the corporation was overstepping, taking authority away from LHOs to decide who gets public units.
The boards in our communities seem to have less responsibility, where you have taken on most of that responsibility. So are you the main decision makers to say yes or no to allotments?
NHC President and CEO Aaron Devereaux said there's no plan to switch the current governance structure. Deputy Auditor General Andrew Hayes said more transparency is required from NHC, but that didn't seem to happen during the hearings last week.
I find it puzzling that they haven't been able to give you simple answers like the number of allocations that have been made, like the number of rejections. If they know exactly what's happening, that should be very simple to provide to this committee.
NHC said it agrees with the Auditor General's recommendations, but Hayes cautioned that allocating units should be done fairly and with transparency in the future. TJ Dhir, CBC News, Iqaluit.